Let me try this. This is an iced latte with like 2 sugars though. Why haven't I been doing this the whole lunch? An egg salad again. That picture.
Yeah, so ugly.
I'm still ugly. Facts.
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 Yeah, facts.
I'll close the door.
Why you can close the door?
Because I want to close the door.
What are you doing? You should count to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 80 nickels?
Huh?
Wow. I'm gonna hire you for a makeup artist. Yeah. That's how you use it. Wow, thank you. Wow, the salon. You still have chocolate in your face. Homie, you gonna keep it like that? Bruh. Oh, thank you.
She's so professional.
She said, you got that.
Like I did my job right.
I can't with her face. This is so cute. Purple. Oh my god, yes. Got the teriyaki chicken, the fries, and the drink. It's so cute. Chicken. The garlic. Oh, it's garlic? I took a bite of it already. Okay, in the airport now we are exploring because we don't board for an hour. Also, I need water because I forgot my water bottle. I always forget my water bottle. I know. I don't want to go back. I want to stay here. Walk, 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 walk. 7-Eleven. Trying to get rid of yen. One of these, matcha or chocolate. Okay, these are just like... We had so many freaking leftover from our suka cards. Got 2 water. I don't think we have enough room for these 2. Chicken and egg with teriyaki sauce. Oh yeah, because it's really good cold. Rip. We won't have this anymore. Our last one. Exit row. Exit row. Look at all the space. English or Spanish? If you move here. I'm gonna see if there's any Theo James movies.
A few moments later.
allowed back in my country. They like, well, at first I was good, and then they caught a mistake that our passports were switched because American Airlines switched our passport account. So it said I was Eljo and she was Randy. They're like, are you guys twins? No, we're not. We're not twins. But they kept asking us if we're twins. They're like, do you have a twin sister? I'm like, I have a sister. Like, we were there for so long. Like, I was literally done in 2 seconds. And then they made it like,
You and me. So that's why she's like, wait, you're already done.
okay, I'm back. As you can see, I am in my room. I'm gonna do a little quick haul to end this video because I never did a haul. We went to Don Quixote a lot, and one of the things I got is, I actually don't know what this is. I think it's mascara. I think Elder told me to get it. Oh, cool contour. It's a contour stick. My bad. Guess I'm not opening this. I got mascara. I got this little Hello Kitty haircut. I think this will be handy when I cut my hair. Ooh. I already opened it. I think it's somewhere in my packaging or somewhere in my bag. It was like spray SPF, spray sunscreen. And then I got this, which is like vitamin C stuff. Oh, the only thing in English says brightening lotion, rich. Whatever that means. And I got eyeliner. This is what came with that. Hair ties from Daiso. Hair clips. I also got a green one that I use. It's in my bag. Earrings. Also got this from Daiso because I just needed a little cheap little necklace. Oh yeah, and then I got these at the airport because I'm trying to use it again. I definitely did not try it already. I'm trying it now for the first time on camera right now. This is my first reaction. Yum! And then at Disney I got these sunglasses, which is probably my favorite. And then this is so cute. Ah! And then this hat, which is also cute. Oh, it's tied. And this little scrump Christmas thing from the Disney store. It's so cute. This is my favorite item that I got. It's a Tangled Lantern. I was debating on getting the popcorn bucket or this one, but honestly, it lights up like this, but it also lights up like this at night. And oh my god, at nighttime, like little shadows of this. I'm gonna fucking cry. Oh my god, I love this. Turns it off. I got this at Daiso, little speaker on this. Oh, you attach it to your bag. Also got this bag from Daiso. Anything else? A sock. Oh, and I got one of the machines. I got these. It matches the little clips I have. I didn't even realize that. Need to change the time, but it's a little watch. Got this for my friend. So I got this for coworkers. And then there's this. Last minute shopping thing. My phone just vibrated. Got this. I kind of forgot I got this. This is R, and this cat is from Kiki's delivery service. I got more of this. It's the same as this, but different. Same, but different. Oh, the clips that match this. Let's try it on, shall we? What is this? Yeah, is this instructions? Who needs instructions for 30 clips? My room's gonna be so messy the next few days. I'm just saying. Got these for friends and coworkers. Got this for friends and coworkers. Got this mainly for me, but I guess I'll share. Actually, don't need to. Actually, let me try it right now. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. Also, why is this tilted? And then I got these Kit Kat mixes. Salted caramel, classic, boring. White peanut butter is what I'm interested in. And hazelnut. Milk tea. 2 chocolate oranges, just because I like chocolate orange. Chocolate strawberry. Matcha chocolate. I think chocolate. And that's it. Thanks for watching my little haul at the end of this Tokyo vlogs. Comment down below what your favorite Tic Tac. Comment down below what your favorite Kit Kat, not Tic Tac, your favorite Kit Kat flavor if you made it this far.